So the title of today's section was matrix operations, and we're going to start with the three that are easiest for matrices. We're going to do addition, subtraction, and scalar multiplication all at once. When it says scalar multiplication, that's different from normal multiplication in that scalar is just a single number. When we do matrix multiplication, that's going to be matrices being multiplied by each other, so it's going to be a little bit different. But for addition, subtraction, scalar multiplication, first of all, in order to add or subtract two matrices, their orders need to be exactly the same. That's really important. So here we've got A and B. If we're going to do anything with those, we need to know that they're exactly the same. This is a 3 by 1 and a 3 by 1. So we know then we can add those together, or we'll do the scalar multiplication here as well. And then because we're just going to kind of do this all together, we're going to do 2a minus 3b. When you multiply by a scalar, you're going to multiply each element of the matrix by that number. So we're going to set this up here one piece at a time. So we're going to start with 2a. So that's 2 times our matrix, which we have as negative 2, 1, 0, minus 3 times b. b is negative 1, 0, 4. Order of operations is always that the multiplication comes before the addition and subtraction, so we're going to do that first. The scalar multiplication means that we're just going to multiply each one of these by the number outside here. It's really just like distributing. So for this first one, we'll have 2 times negative 2, 2 times 1, and 2 times 0. For the second one, 3 times negative 1, and then 3 times 0, and 3 times 4. Now notice that there is a subtraction out here. I could have just distributed and used addition, but now I'm going to make the subtraction based on what's left. So I just do one piece at a time. I do negative 4 minus negative 3, so that's really negative 4 plus 3. Give me negative 1. 2 minus 0 is 2. 0 minus 12 is negative 12. Just be careful how you work with those. With the negatives, that can be a little bit tricky when you're using the negatives, when you're using minus.